Welcome back. Welcome to the weekend. Well, weather-wise, kind of a mixed bag this weekend as we are going to be looking at cloudy, cool, and at times wet conditions for tomorrow. The sun returns as we round out the weekend on Sunday, so pretty nice conditions there. Much of next week looks relatively quiet and typical for what we would expect for mid-December, and then it looks like a gradual warm-up, perhaps turning a little bit more unsettled as we head towards Christmas. So let's first off get a check of that satellite radar composite. Frontal boundary not too far away. You can see those scattered showers taking shape across eastern Texas, and those are marching southeastward this evening and should get to Acadiana by tomorrow morning. Now, also of note, through the course of the weekend, we're going to be watching an area of low pressure developing across the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to actually be a pretty significant storm for portions of Florida and then a good part of the East Coast. But what that's going to do is kind of rob some of the instability out here in the Gulf from feeding into our frontal boundary. Thus, we're not looking at any sort of heavy precipitation nor severe weather with this front tomorrow. So let's play it out with the graph model. We're still out ahead of that front tonight, so not quite as chilly as where we have been the past couple of nights, but still cool. Temperatures upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Here comes the front by tomorrow morning. Mostly just kind of a thin and broken line of light to moderate showers, and highest rain chances we'll say late morning into the early afternoon time frame, but things are going to be moving along pretty quickly. So as the afternoon wears on, the bulk of this rainfall is going to start to push east of the area. We'll dry things out. So it's not going to be an all-day rain event, and if you have plans tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, should be dry out there. It's going to be cool all day long. Temperatures pretty much hovering in the lower 60s, but by tomorrow night, behind the front, we will be dropping into the 50s, and then eventually skies clear west to east heading into Sunday. It's going to be a chilly start, mid 40s for most of us, and then it's back to mostly sunny skies throughout the day on Sunday. Cool and comfortable. High temperatures will look to top out lower 60s. A nice refreshing northwesterly breeze will come in at around 6 to 12 miles per hour. So as far as your rain coverage and timing over the next several hours, you can see rain chances are ramping up, especially for tomorrow morning, and then notice those rain chances will tone down as the afternoon wears on. As far as rainfall amounts, graph model has been the most aggressive, showing anywhere from a half an inch to maybe upwards to an inch in spots, especially across the coastal parishes. But the high resolution rapid refresh model has been advertising less, with much of the area perhaps picking up less than about a quarter to a half an inch. So bottom line, don't plan on a ton of rainfall for two reasons. One, mostly just going to be light to moderate showers, and two, activity going to be moving along at a pretty good clip. As far as temperatures, again, upper 50s to lower 60s is where those temperatures will kind of hover overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and then not changing a whole lot throughout the day tomorrow. It's going to be an overcast, cool, kind of dreary day out there with occasional showers, especially for the first half of the day. We turn chilly tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Most of us mid 40s, although lower 40s will be possible. Ville Platte, Alexandria on northward, and then a really nice into the weekend on Sunday with plenty of sunshine. High temperatures topping out in the lower 60s, which is actually a few degrees below where we should be for the time of year. 58 or so will be the projected low tonight. So as mentioned, not quite as chilly as the past couple of nights, but still cool if you're heading out. Partly to mostly cloudy skies in place. And then for tomorrow, scattered, primarily light to moderate showers, especially for the first half of the day. But those rains will start to come to an end as the afternoon wears on from west to east. And again, temperatures hovering in the upper 50s to lower 60s pretty much all day long. Winds will come in at 6 to 12 miles per hour. Lower 60s for Sunday as skies turn mostly sunny, and much of the upcoming week will be pretty nice. Pretty typical for what we would expect for December. Highs in the 60s, only exception Tuesday will be in the 50s. Overnight lows 30s and 40s, and then there's that gradual warm up as we head towards Christmas. Pattern could turn a little bit more unsettled by then as well. Of course, we'll have more on that in the days ahead, so stay tuned. But in the short term, we're going to go 58 for that projected low. We'll be in the upper 50s to lower 60s all day long tomorrow under cloudy skies, and at times those occasional showers, especially for the first half of the day. Well, that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more coming up after the break.